Hi you guys, welcome back to Rose Garden Soap Company, and today we will be making a soap that is kind of inspired by Mother's Day that is coming up pretty soon. So I'm going to be doing a lot of purple and pink, and I will also be using like a floral fragrance. And so I will be using, it is called Herbalicious from Nurture Soap, and I got a two ounces, but I'm also going to use this lilac blossom that they gave me as a, I guess, a sample when they sent my order. Then I'm going to be using a few colors, and it's Purple Vibrance, Firecracker Mica, Love Poem, and a Winter White. And I'll be linking everything down in the description box, and we're going to go ahead and get started today. So our oils and butters are all in here, melted down, and my lye is about room temperature, and so is my soap. My battery is dying on my thermometer. So we're gonna go ahead, and I don't even have my stick blender out. Isn't that crazy? Here. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get everything mixed up. I'm gonna be using bentonite clay in it today. All right, so we will be pouring our lye water into our mixture, our oils and butters actually. And you guys, it's like 10 o'clock at night, and I just could not help but to make soap. Like, I was like, I'm so bored, I want to do something, so I'm making some soap. Probably going to be what I give to my mom and, you know, other people on Mother's Day. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pour in the lye. And then we're just going to mix it up. Now I will be mixing the colorants in, so I don't want to mix it too much. I did a water discount, about I think it's about like a 35% water discount. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and separate these into different mixing bowls so I can add the colorants to them. I'm going to start off putting the colorants in. And now it's time to add our fragrance oil to it. And once again, I'm using the Herbalicious. And I am mixing, my hand is shaking, and I'm mixing this lilac in with it. I'm just gonna mix these in by hand, and I'm not sure if they're gonna if they're gonna, you know, thicken up really quickly or not. So I'm just gonna try to move as fast as I can because I did do a water discount, and I have had soap turn into like a hard soap right in the bowl still. I didn't even get to pour it into the mold. So yeah, I'm just gonna make sure I mix this in as fast as I can. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to pour it into the mold. And I will be piping on top of this soap today, so yeah. And we're gonna start pouring the purple. The purple's pretty thick too, not too thin. Sorry guys, I had to bring that down a little bit. It's starting to thicken up so bad, you guys. So I'm just gonna throw it in here however I can. And wow, you guys, you just seen what I did. That is because I get so nervous when I'm making soap that I think that it's gonna turn really, really hard on me and I'm not gonna be able to do anything. So I panic. So I'm gonna clean this up, you guys. Okay, you guys, I fixed it and I am back. And I just gave it a little swirl and I'm gonna line it a little bit. Right? And I'm just gonna squirt out, scrape out the rest of it. It's pretty much really, really thick right now, so yeah. I'm just gonna plop it in there wherever I can. Okay, you guys, I'm back and I'm going to start piping on this soap. And I'm not sure if I made enough, but hopefully I did make enough. So here we go. I'm gonna start piping. Alright, you guys, that's the finished soap. It gave me so much problems with the piping and everything, but hopefully it'll all just turn out fine. And I'll be back for the cutting of it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.